Hello, everyone. I hope you're all fine. Today's story is very beautiful and very helpful. It has strong life lesson. It has also simple daily life sentences. Please practice this story and repeat it with me. Now, let's start. In a small town in America, a boy named Thomas Edison was born. No one knew that this curious child would one day change the world. As a young boy, Thomas was different from other children. He asked questions constantly. Why does the bird fly? Why does the sun shine? Why does this machine work? His mind was always searching for answers, but not everyone appreciated his curiosity. One day, his teacher became frustrated. He told Thomas's mother that the boy was slow and could not learn properly in school. Thomas was heartbroken. He felt different from everyone else, but his mother believed in him. She refused to accept what others said. Instead, she taught him at home. She encouraged him to read books and explore ideas. That support changed his life forever. Thomas became obsessed with learning. He read every book he could find. Science fascinated him. Experiments excited him. His bedroom slowly turned into a small laboratory. Sometimes his experiments created strange smells. But Thomas never stopped experimenting. As he grew older, life remained difficult. His family was not wealthy. To earn money, Thomas sold newspapers and snacks on trains. While other boys relaxed, Thomas worked. Yet even on the train, he continued reading and experimenting. He turned part of a train car into a tiny laboratory. His passion for learning never disappeared. Then, tragedy struck. After an accident, Thomas gradually lost much of his hearing. Many people thought this would destroy his future, but Thomas refused to feel sorry for himself. Instead, he focused even harder on his work. He later said that the silence helped him concentrate. What seemed like a disadvantage became an advantage. Years passed. Thomas became an inventor. He created many useful devices, but one invention became his greatest challenge: the electric light bulb. At that time, people used candles and oil lamps. Homes were dark and dangerous at night. Thomas dreamed of creating a safe electric light. The idea sounded impossible. Many scientists had already failed. Many experts believed it could never be done. But Thomas refused to quit. He began testing materials. One experiment failed. Then another. Then another. Hundreds of failures followed. Then thousands. Friends questioned him. Critics laughed at him. Some people said, "Why don't you give up?" But Thomas kept working. Day after day, night after night, failure after failure. Someone once asked him, "How does it feel to fail 1,000 times?" Thomas smiled and replied, "I have not failed. I've just found 1,000 ways that won't work. That mindset made him extraordinary. While others saw failure, Thomas saw learning. While others saw obstacles, Thomas saw opportunities. Finally, after countless experiments, success arrived. The light bulb worked. The room filled with light. A dream that seemed impossible became reality. The invention changed the world. Homes became brighter. Cities became safer. People could work and study after sunset. But Thomas did not stop there. Throughout his life, he created more than 1,000 inventions and patents. His ideas helped shape the modern world. Yet his greatest lesson was not the light bulb. His greatest lesson was perseverance. Thomas Edison proved that success rarely comes quickly. Behind every great achievement are countless failures. Most people quit after a few disappointments. Thomas kept going after thousands. That is why people still remember him today. His story teaches us something powerful. Failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is often part of success. Every mistake teaches something. Every setback builds strength. Every challenge creates growth. So, if you fail an exam, if you struggle to learn English, if your dreams seem far away, remember Thomas Edison. A boy once told he could not learn became one of history's greatest inventors. Never be afraid of failure. Be afraid of giving up. Because every failure brings you one step closer to success. And sometimes, the people who change the world are simply the ones who refuse to quit. Success is not about never failing. Success is about getting up one more time than you fall.